Hello, everyone. Welcome back to NB English Learning. I'm Noor. And I'm Eman. We're really happy you're here with us today. Take a deep breath. Relax. This is not school English. This is real English. The English people actually use every day. No pressure, no stress. Just listen, feel, and learn slowly. Today's topic. Today's topic is small but very confusing. Two simple words, both do and make. Many learners ask, when do I use do? When do I use make? And honestly, even native speakers don't think too much. They just feel it. Let's start simple. Do equals work, tasks, activities. Things you perform, not create. Examples: I do my homework. I do my job. I do the dishes. I do exercise. These are actions, daily routine things. What do you do in the morning? I wake up, I do my routine, I do some stretching. That sounds very natural. Common mistake. Many learners say, I make my homework. Correct sentence is, I do my homework. Now, let's talk about make. Make equals create, produce, prepare. Examples: I make breakfast. I make coffee. I made dinner. I made a cake. You are creating something new. What did you do yesterday? I was tired, but I made dinner. Nice. What did you make? Simple rice and tea. This is very important. Make is used for feelings. Examples: you make me happy. That movie made me cry. This music makes me calm. You are creating emotion. Learners say, you do me happy. Correct, you make me happy. Here's an easy trick. Do equals perform, make equals create. Ask yourself, am I doing something or creating something? At work, we use do for tasks. Examples: I do my job. I do my tasks. I do research. And make for results. Examples: I make a plan. I make a report. I make a presentation. I did research. Then I made a presentation. Perfect English. Let's talk about life. Do sports, make plans. Activity, do. Creation, make. That song made me emotional. Your words made me confident. English is not just grammar. It's feeling. Some phrases you just remember. Make a mistake, make money, make friends, make progress. And do your best, do your work, do nothing. Let's practice. Fill in your mind, I blank my homework. I blank a decision. She blank a mistake. He blank his best. Answers: did, made, did. If you feel confused, that's okay. Confusion means learning. You don't need perfect English. You need brave English. English is not an exam, it's a bridge. A bridge to people, to confidence, to opportunities. Daily practice. Every day say 3 sentences. I did my work. I made dinner. I did my best. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe to NB English Learning, and share with a friend. Keep speaking, keep learning. You're not wrong, you're learning. See you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.